Did you know that we have rains named after mango? And those rains called as mango showers or pre-monsoon showers help in ripening of mangoes? That sweet smell of wet ground and ripened mangoes. In this video, I'm going to share how to cut a mango. Not exactly squeezing out this way, but in a couple of proper methods. 7 easy ways to cut a mango. And hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Alchemy. It's 2021, but we still need to get this right. A mango has 4 sides. The stem part is fleshy and the narrow part isn't. 2 cheeks on both sides has the most fruit pulp. Now if you're someone who needs to know how to pick mangoes from the store, I have made a video just for you. Just click the card above. Let's get into how to cut a mango into cubes. Hold your knife on the narrow side of the mango and make a cut with 1/4 of an inch from the tip of the mango. Why? Because we need as much as pulp on this cut to achieve the cube look. You see this white spot? It's the outer covering of the mango seed. Once you see this, it means you have done the cut in the right way. You can also see the flesh on both sides of the mango. Now let's go ahead and cut a mango step by step. Hold one of the mango cheek and score it vertically. Now don't cut it all the way through, as we need to fold up the skin after scoring it horizontally as well. The key to getting this is to get as much as pulp on the cheek of the mango, and it works well on just ripe mangoes. Now let's look at how to cut a mango for medium slices. Cut one of the narrow sides of the mango and hold at one end of the mango skin. Move the knife close to the skin. That happens, but we continue to cut and remove the skin slowly. We then cut and dice the mango in medium pieces. How to peel a mango, or how to peel a mango skin using peeler. Sometimes it can slip using a peeler. Just wash them well under water and start from a place where the peeler can make a cut through. On to the next one, the julienne. Place the softer side of the mango towards the board and make thin slices. Arrange the different slices based on similar sizes and group them together. Stack them on top of each other and then make vertical cut to get the julienne cut. Hey, stay till the end of the video, as I will share the most easiest way to cut a mango and eat up. How to cut a mango into slices. Place the softer side of the mango towards the board and make thin slices. Each of these would be wide but thin enough, which is perfect as a topping for cheesecakes or pastries. How to peel mango, or how to peel a mango skin using knife. Now even before peelers were invented, remember, people used to cut mangoes, right? So this is how we cut mango at home using knife. Peeling a mango this way ensures that we don't remove much of the pulp along with the skin. We love them too much to be wasted on skins. Now on to how to cut a mango for salad, mango salad or mango salsa. We place the softer side of the mango facing the palm and make circular disc from the other side. We can get 3 to 4 discs out of each cheek of a mango. Stack them one on top of each other and make vertical cuts and then horizontal cuts to get the salad size. These are perfect for preparing mango salad or mango salsa now. Another way of cutting them would be to cut the way you would cut onions. Place the softer side of the mango facing the board. Make 3 cuts horizontally. Then slice up vertically and then horizontally. This is how I do it, as this is easier to control the mango cheek. On to the large size of how to cut and dice mango for a smoothie. Place the mango cheek on the board and just make 3 or 4 cuts vertically and then slice them up as 3 or 4 pieces. You could do it the way I did, but if you're just learning knife skills, then use a chopping board. So just like I promised, here is the most easiest way of cutting mango, or how to cut a mango without making a mess. Take a mango, place the knife just away from the black spot and cut through close to the mango seed, as close as possible. Take a spoon and run through on the sides to remove the pulp and use the skin as a plate to eat your fruit. See? No hassle at all. If you're getting value from this video, hit that like and drop in a comment if you found this video helpful or really helped you in cutting a mango. And then go on to click the subscribe and the bell button to watch my weekly uploads. If this was interesting, check out the videos on all about coconuts or some smoothie recipes, and until next time, see you later.